How to go from 0 to 3 lakhs a month, step-by-step guide that's working right now using the proprietary FCF plus AI funnel. Hey there, if you've been stuck in a job that pays you less, or if you've been learning with certifications but not earning, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how we built a remote sales system using the content plus AI tools funnel and how you can go from 0 to 3 lakhs, let's go, or $5,000. Step 1, use the fast content funnel. Now, if you've been dialing cold calls and the problem is you're not going to get users to pick them up, or customers are going to hang up because, the telecallers and Airtel has actually sort of banned that, right? Now, a much better method is use content. Now, you don't need to be an influencer. You just need to be useful. Post 2 shots a day. That's it, shots. Shots are like a minute or two. Talk about common problems people face, 1 tip using AI tools, simple frameworks that'll help. That's called the fast content funnel because you will generate real traffic very fast. Now, end with every video with want to learn more? Join the free masterclass and the links in the description. Only do YouTube, do not do Instagram, do not do anything else. LinkedIn also not that great. Only YouTube. YouTube is the best. YouTube is owned by Google, so they know exactly how to push intent-based. Now, you're not going to go viral, you're just building trust every day. Step 2, host a free masterclass. Now, this is where the real connection happens. It's a free 90-minute session. Now, the first 15 minutes, be authentic. You're talking about your story, your results. The middle 30 minutes, teach real skills like sales, AI, whatever it is. And the last 45 minutes, you talk about your academy or the offer. So you provide value, and then you ask for something, right? At the end. Now, here's the secret. Only people who stay beyond 60 minutes are potential buyers because they're warm, they know about you, they're indoctrined in your belief, they're curious, serious, and ready. And step 3, use my 7-point checklist to close people. That's when you call and you close them, right? You or your trained closer can reach out who stayed beyond till the end. Now you qualify them, and if they're a right fit, you invite them to join the full academy. Offer fast action bonuses, buy one, get one, extra live Q&As, maybe some scripts, extra worksheets. This is ethical, fun, and the right way to be completely beginner friendly. We're not just selling, we're helping people upgrade their lives. Now, final wrap up. Number 1, post short videos, drive people to a free masterclass, talk to those who show up and stay, invite the right ones to join you. It's that simple. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need 100K followers. You just need a clear system with a little bit of courage to start. Now, if you're interested in all of this and all of the AI tools that I'm reviewing, join my free live masterclass where we talk about this. Even if you're not from sales, if you're just starting in tech, marketing, whatever, I'll see you there inside. Type AI in the comments and I'll post you the link. Let's go. Thanks.